Hey, it's Amy on A Lolly Life, and guess what I did? I snagged my jacket. So I have this jacket, and you can kind of see right there. I got a little snag in my jacket, and it's ugly, and I hate it. So we're gonna fix that. I have a way to fix that. And so the first thing that you want to do if you have a snag like this on a shirt or a jacket is you kind of gently pull the material around it. Do not pull it so tight that you break any of the threads, because you can't clip this off. If you clip it off, it actually will cause a hole. And so you give it a little tug, because sometimes that will make it a little bit smaller. I'm gonna try and pull that through to the inside. And in order to do that, I need one of these, a needle threader, this fancy thing. I also found a few snags in some of my husband's shirts. I'm not sure if you can see that here. Do you see? See the little snag? And this shirt has a bunch of them. You can kind of see. Do you see all the little snags? Yeah. So when you're dealing with a single layer of material, like a shirt or something, you can just fix the snag with simply a needle threader. And you are going to stick this through the material right where the snag is. And see how that just kind of, that little piece pops through? Push it through the fabric right next to one of the snags. And as you pull it through, you kind of tip it. You're tipping it sideways. So the snag is actually going to go through in the middle of the hole, so that what you're doing is you're grabbing a hold of it and you're yanking it through to the opposite side of the shirt. So for the sake of the video, I made a pretend snag. This is actually just a piece of thread, a thick piece of thread that I've pulled through this material. But it's a pretend snag, and so we're going to, let's say that it's this long. We're going to go ahead and get this out of the fabric by sticking the needle threader from the underside of the fabric, from the back side of the fabric, right about where the snag is, through the material. And this is thick enough that if you give it a little wiggle, you can usually get it through the material. Yeah, so I have the needle threader and my pretend snag. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maneuver my needle threader in such a way that it grabs a hold of the snag. I can't do it in a way that you can see. Here we are. And so I'm just going to kind of shove the snag through the opening, through the wires in the needle threader, so that now it's through. So when I pull it through the fabric, it pulls through. When you're dealing with just a regular thin layer of material, just a single needle threader is okay. This wire is stiff enough that you can usually push it through the material right at the snag and get a hold of the snag, pull it through. If the material is thicker, then that's when I use a needle, and I use a needle with a big eye. I need a needle with this one's a pretty big eye comparatively to some. You can see how the eye on this needle is bigger than the eye on the other needle. So the bigger eye is better for this particular thing. Take your needle and push it through right where your snag is. Then, so the sticky part of the needle is on this other side, but the eye part is over here. And now I'm going to take my needle threader and do what you're supposed to do with a needle threader and insert it into the needle. So the needle threader is in there. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little thread and pull it into the eye of the needle. And then I'm going to pull it through. But I don't want to pull it through both layers. I just want to pull it through the outside one. So now I've pulled it through the outside one. Now the snag is gone. There is no snag. You can't even hardly tell where it was. Like, you can't. Take your needle and push it through right where your snag is, so that the eye of the needle is all that's sticking up. So it's halfway through. Get your needle threader and thread the needle. Now I'm going to catch the snag inside of the opening of the needle threader. The snag is inside of the needle threader, and so now when I pull the needle threader back out through the needle, what it does is it threads the needle with the snag. Threads the needle with the snag. You have to kind of do it gently, but now the needle is actually threaded with the snag, so that when I finish pulling it through, when I pull it back through the material, it pulls the snag to the other side of the material. That is a lot harder to explain on camera than you think, because it is really hard for you to see. Where is it? It's really hard for me to see it too, because I can't see it. It's really hard for the camera to see the end of the needle threader and the eye of the needle and the snag and all of the different things. It's hard to show that on camera. With that, we're done with this episode of A Lolly Life.